Look at your phone for a second. It knows what video you'll watch next. It knows what you might search. It even knows the fastest route before traffic starts. This is not magic. This is not the future. This is artificial intelligence already working in your life. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll explain AI in the simplest, clearest way possible. No technical words, no hype, no confusion. Right now, most people think AI is a thinking robot, a digital human brain, something that will replace everyone. But almost all of this is wrong. To truly understand AI, we must forget movies and buzzwords and understand one simple idea. Artificial intelligence is not intelligence like humans. AI does one main thing. It learns from data to make predictions. That's it. It does not think, it does not feel, it does not understand meaning. AI predicts the most likely next answer based on patterns it has seen before. And once you understand this, AI suddenly becomes very clear. Imagine teaching a child what a dog is. You show one dog, another dog, many dogs. Slowly, the child starts recognizing the pattern. AI learns the same way, except instead of seeing hundreds of examples, AI sees millions or billions of data points. It doesn't know what a dog is, it only learns what a dog looks like statistically. Now, let's understand how AI actually works at a basic level. Every AI system in the world follows the same simple structure. It always starts with data. Data means examples, text, images, videos, sounds, anything humans create digitally. The more data an AI sees, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns. Then training. Training means learning from data. Just like humans learning by seeing examples again and again, AI learns by finding patterns. It makes mistake at first, then slowly improves. No thinking, no understanding, just pattern learning. Then model. After training, we get something called a model. A model is simply the trained system. This is the brain of the AI, but not a human brain. It is a mathematical system that remembers pattern, prediction. Now comes prediction. This is the result you actually see. When AI suggests a video, complete a sentence, or recognize a face, that's a prediction. It's choosing the most likely answer based on past data. Every AI you know, YouTube, Google, ChatGPT, Maps, works this way. Different purpose, same foundation. You already use AI every single day. When YouTube suggests a video, it's AI. When Google finishes your sentence, it's AI. When your email blocks spam, it's AI. When maps predict traffic, it's also an AI. AI doesn't control the world, but it shapes what you see, what you click, and what you discover. Quietly, constantly. Let's clear the biggest myth. AI is not conscious. AI does not think independently. AI does not have emotions. AI is powerful but limited. It only works within the data and rules humans give it. No data, no learning, no rules, no intelligence. So why is AI everywhere now? Because today we have massive data, powerful computers, fast internet, cheap cloud storage. AI existed decades ago, but now the environment is perfect for it to grow. That's why this is not a trend, this is a transformation. AI will not replace humans, but humans who understand AI will replace those who don't. The future belongs to people who use AI as a tool, not fear it. If this video helped you truly understand AI, then this channel is for people like you because understanding always beats hype.